In this presentation, I'll work out the range of IP addresses for the first two network IDs. Here I wrote out the first three subnets, and I'll use them as boundaries to work out the ranges for the first two. So the first network ID is 192.168.40.0/27. Again, if we were to think of this as a number line, this was the first network ID, this is the second, this is the third, and we have 8 of them. Then the IP address right after this one would be the first valid IP address for the 40.0 network. That would be 192.168.40.1. The next network ID is 192.168.40.32. The IP right before this one is the directed broadcast IP for the 40.0 network. That IP would therefore be 192.168.40.31. Now, because we subnetted and divided network ID and host ID in the fourth octet, all of the action is happening in the fourth octet. So sequentially, the IP right before 40.32 is 40.31. This is the directed broadcast IP for the 40.0 network. The last valid IP is therefore right before that one, which is 192.168.40.30. For the 40.32 network, the first IP that you have right after the network ID is 192.168.40. If the network ID is 32, this will be 33. The next network ID is 64, so the IP right before that one would be the directed broadcast IP for the 40.32 network. That therefore would be 192.168.40.63. This is the directed broadcast IP. The one right before that, therefore, would be the last valid IP address for the 40.32 network. It'll be 192.168.40.62. The longer way of looking at this is to look at it in binary. Let's take 40.32 for example, /27. First thing we have to do is look at this last octet, 32, in binary. So this would be 192.168.40. And I'll write this out in binary. 32 in binary is 0, 0, 1, and the rest are zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This column is the 32 column. With /27, the subnet bits are these first 3 bits. And the last 5 bits are host ID bits. Therefore, the first valid IP address for this range would have these host ID bits as 00001. So we're looking at 192.168.40.001, and then the host ID section, I'll write in a different color, will be 00001. This is 32, this is 1, that's 33. So this is 192.168.40.33. The last IP address would be where host ID is all ones. That's the directed broadcast IP. So that's 192.168.40. Those 2 bits, those 3 bits would be 001, and host ID would be all ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is 63. The last valid IP, therefore, would be the one right before that. So the numbers you're looking at here, this octet is 32, this is 33, this is 62, and this is 63. The directed broadcast IP is .63, the last valid IP is 62, the first valid IP is 33, and the network ID is 32.